want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are creating this Douyin makeup look. Now what exactly is Douyin makeup? So Douyin is nothing but Chinese TikTok. Chinese people create these type of makeup looks there, and these looks went viral. That is why it's called Douyin makeup. Now Chinese people have certain ways of achieving these makeup looks, like how they contour their face, their eyes and their nose. And this makeup is very artistic. It enhances their features beautifully, and that is exactly what we are going to do today. I'll be moisturizing my face nicely because I'll be putting a lot of layers on my face, so it's important to moisturize the face because this look is going to be extremely matte and heavy, and I'm going to be using a lot of powder, so moisturizing the face is extremely important. After that, I'll be going in with this makeup fixer, which is a Douyin makeup fixer, so it will provide a nice base for my foundation. And here I'm using a foundation which provides extremely high coverage, but this is not a matte foundation. You can totally go for a matte foundation because this look requires the foundation, like the base, to be matte, but I only have this foundation which provides extremely high coverage, so I'm going in with this one. I'll be setting this with a powder, so it will be all good, but you can see how beautiful the coverage is. Then I'll just blend everything nicely, and after that we're going in with a concealer. It's totally skippable because we used a high coverage foundation, but I'm still using it. You can skip it if you want. Then after blending the concealer properly, I am going in with blush. I'm using cream blush here, and as you can see, I'm placing it right below my under eye. I actually wanted to cover a little bit of my under eye because that's how Douyin makeup is done, and it's all looking very dewy, so I will be setting everything with powder. I'm using an extremely mattifying compact powder, and this will mattify everything. You have to powder your full face because Chinese people prefer extremely matte foundation. After that, I'm just filling in my brows. This is how I regularly fill my brows, nothing fancy here. I just stick to my natural brow shape, and I like to create some fake strokes, as you can see. And then I'm using the spoolie on the other side to brush and blend everything, and you can see the difference it makes. After that, I'm just taking a peachy pinky kind of an eyeshadow. Honestly, you can use any color here, like you can use any nude color or any dark color. It totally depends on you. I am going for a natural Douyin makeup look, so I'm using this color, but you can honestly use anything you want. So there's not much to it. You just have to place your eyeshadow and blend it nicely until there is no harsh line. And then I'm taking a dark brown shade and I'm placing it in the outer corner of my eye and just blending it like normally. There's not like any like unique technique to it. And doing the same in the inner corner of my eye, blending the darker shade. It's like you're contouring your eyes and adding depth to your eyes. Then I'm taking a highlighter and I'm placing it in my inner corner. This is a champagne-y kind of a highlighter. If you have seen their contouring techniques, they like to highlight their inner corners a lot, like that is the major thing. Then I'm taking a brown eyeliner and lining my eyes, like creating a small winged eyeliner. This is how I regularly line my eyes as well. This is like my go-to eye look, creating a winged eyeliner, so it's pretty convenient for me. Then I'm also extending my eyeliner, but it's completely optional. If you don't want to, you can skip it. I'm taking the brown shade again and I'm just placing it in my lower lash line. And here I am trying to emphasize the fat under my eye. This is something that is naturally present in Indians, but I've seen a lot of Asian people try this technique. I think this is a main part of Asian makeup, not just Douyin makeup, but in general I've seen Korean people also do this technique. This is apparently something they do to make their face look more youthful. And I'm just going in with my mascara. We're going to use some lashes as well. They kind of use lashes with a lot of space. I don't know how to explain it, but I couldn't find those kind of lashes, so I just like cut my lashes like that, and I'm placing it individually. You can get individual lashes as well, but I already had lashes at home, so I just cut my lashes and I'm placing it like that and creating like a lot of space. This is a very artistic kind of makeup look. This doesn't look natural at all, so don't get scared. You can see how dramatic my lashes are looking. Then I'm just placing some powder blush here, and after that I'm contouring my nose. The contouring techniques are extreme. Like, I never contour my nose, and here you can see how pathetic I'm looking doing that. But honestly, it makes a huge difference, guys. It does make a lot of difference. Then I'm just highlighting the high points of my face. Even though this is a matte look, this look still requires highlighting, so I'm highlighting my face, my brow bones, everything. Then we're moving to the lips. For lips, I'm trying out this contouring technique wherein I'll just line my lower lip, and for my upper lip I'm not going to line the whole lip, just my cupid's bow, and we're going to buff everything so everything looks seamless. We don't want any harsh lines, so just going to buff everything in. And after we're done with that, we're just going to use a nude tint. Honestly, in Douyin Makeup, most people prefer red lips, but that is not my style, so I'm just going in with some nude lip tint, and I'm covering my whole lip with that. And then after that I'm using a peachy kind of tint, and I'm creating an M-like situation on my upper lip, and on my lower lip I've just placed the color like that, and then just blending everything and using a melting balm to give my lips a glossy finish. And this is how the look has turned out. Please let me know in the comments if you think this is Douyin Makeup or not. I tried my best on my Indian features, and this is how it has turned out. I hope you guys like the look. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.
Got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no